Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. In the context of the transformer architecture, what is the primary purpose of multi-head attention compared to a single attention head? The correct answer is option B. To allow the model to jointly attend to information from different representation subspaces at different positions. Which sub-word tokenization method starts with individual characters and iteratively merges the most frequent pair of adjacent tokens? The correct answer is option C, byte pair encoding BP. When evaluating text summarization, what does the ROUGE metric primarily measure? The correct answer is option B, the longest common subsequence between the candidate and reference. In a Word-2-vec skipgram model, what is the objective of the neural network? The correct answer is option B, to predict the surrounding context words given a single target word. Which of the following describes the vanishing gradient problem in standard recurrent neural networks, RNNs? The correct answer is option C. Gradients decrease exponentially as they are propagated back through time, making it hard to learn long-term dependencies. What is the specific role of the forget gate in a long short-term memory, LSTM, unit? The correct answer is option A, to decide which information from the previous cell state should be discarded. In the BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers model, what percentage of tokens are typically masked during the masked language model, MLM, pre-training task? The correct answer is option B, 15%. Which evaluation metric is specifically designed to measure the fluency and adequacy of machine translation by comparing n-gram overlaps? The correct answer is option D, BLEU, bilingual evaluation understudy. How does the GLOVE, global vectors for word representation, model differ fundamentally from Word-2-vec? The correct answer is option C. GLOVE is based on matrix factorization of a global word-word co-occurrence matrix. In the BIO, beginning, inside, outside, tagging scheme for named entity recognition, which tag is assigned to the second word of a multi-word entity like New York? The correct answer is option B, ILO-C. What is the primary advantage of beam search over greedy search during the decoding phase of a sequence-to-sequence model? The correct answer is option C. It explores multiple potential paths to find a sequence with a higher overall probability. Which of the following is a characteristic of the fast text embedding model that makes it superior to Word-2-vec for morphologically rich languages? The correct answer is option B. It represents words as a bag of character n-grams. In dependency parsing, what does a root node represent? The correct answer is option C, the structural head of the sentence, usually the main verb. What is perplexity in the context of language modeling? The correct answer is option B, a measure of how well a probability distribution or model predicts a sample. Which mechanism allows a transformer decoder to ensure that the prediction for position I can only depend on the known outputs at positions less than I? The correct answer is option C, masked self-attention. What is the main difference between extractive and abstractive summarization? The correct answer is option B. Extractive selects existing sentences from the source, while abstractive generates new sentences. Which component of the LMO, embeddings from language models, architecture allows it to produce context-sensitive word representations? The correct answer is option B. A bidirectional LSTM trained on a large corpus. What does the attention mechanism solve in the traditional encoder-decoder, seek-to-seek framework? The correct answer is option B. The bottleneck problem where all information must be compressed into a fixed length vector. In zero-shot learning for NLP, how does the model perform a task? The correct answer is option B. By performing a task without having seen any explicit examples of that task during fine-tuning. Which of these is a common technique used to handle out-of-vocabulary OV words in traditional NLP models? The correct answer is option B, replacing OV words with a special UNK token. What is the primary function of positional encodings in a transformer model? The correct answer is option B. To provide information about the relative or absolute position of tokens in the sequence. Which of the following tasks is an example of coreference resolution? The correct answer is option A, identifying that he and John refer to the same entity in a text. What is the purpose of Laplace smoothing, Ad1 smoothing, in n-gram language models? The correct answer is option B, to prevent probabilities from being zero for unseen n-grams. In the T5 text-to-text transfer transformer model, how are different tasks like translation and summarization handled? The correct answer is option B, by adding a task-specific prefix string to the input text. What is knowledge distillation in the context of large language models like BERT? The correct answer is option B, a technique to train a smaller student model to mimic the behavior of a larger teacher model. Which of these is a major limitation of the BLEU score for evaluating dialogue systems? The correct answer is option B. It correlates poorly with human judgment of quality in open-ended conversation. In semantic role labeling (SRL), what is the goal? The correct answer is option B. To answer who did what to whom by assigning roles like agent or patient to constituents. What is the main innovation of the RoBERTa model over the original BERT model? The correct answer is option B. It used dynamic masking and removed the next sentence prediction (NSP) task. Which of the following best describes lemmatization? The correct answer is option B, converting a word to its meaningful base form using a vocabulary and morphological analysis, e.g., better becomes good. What is the purpose of layer normalization in the transformer architecture? The correct answer is option B, to stabilize the hidden state dynamics and reduce training time. Thank you for watching.